To calculate the annualized Sharpe ratio of monthly stock returns for the 10-year period, we need to use the Chapter 5 dataset. Here's the data. I highlighted the ones that we are going to use in red. So I'm going to copy and paste it into a new workbook. The column on the left are the 10-year bond interest rate, which we are going to use it as the the risk-free rate. On the right are the stock expected return. Stock return in the 10-year period. The formula for Sharpe ratio equals to the risk premium divided by standard deviation of excess return. So we need to find the risk premium, standard deviation of excess return. To find risk premium, we need to have GO mean of expected return and GO mean of risk-free rate. So, to calculate the GO mean of expected return, we use the Excel function GO mean. And then we select the stock return. And we plus 1 because we got some negative data in the data set, and the Excel workbook does not allow us to calculate GO mean with negative data, so we plus 1 to make it all positive, and then we minus 1 to reverse the effect. So we do the same thing for the GO mean of risk-free rate. Then we plus 1, and then we minus 1. Okay, so now we can calculate the risk premium, which equals to the GO mean of expected return minus the GO mean of risk-free rate. So that equals to 7.65349%. Then we need to calculate the standard deviation of excess return. So first we need to calculate the excess return for the 10-year period. It equals to the stock return minus the 10-year bond, which is the risk-free rate. So we drag down the box. It will automatically copy the formula. Okay, here. Then we use the formula built in Excel. Standard deviation, we use sample because this is sample data. Then we select excess return, press OK. So we got 0.0455. Then we can calculate Sharpe ratio now. It equals to the risk premium divided by the standard deviation of excess return. So that's 1.6795, and we round it to 2 decimal places. So that's 1.68.